चेवला के बीजेपी एमपी कैंडिडेट कोंडा विश्वेश्वर रेड्डी की बीवी संगीता रेड्डी ने मनीकोंडा म्यूनिसिपैलिटी की गेटेड कम्युनिटी जैन कार्लटन क्रीक अपार्टमेंट में आवाम से मुलाकात की और उनसे गुजारिश की कि वो चेवला से कोंडा विश्वेश्वर रेड्डी को कामयाब बनाएं। उन्होंने आवाम को बताया कि पिछले 10 सालों में वजीर आजम नरेंद्र मोदी ने हिंदुस्तान में कई सारे तरक्याती काम अंजाम दिए हैं, जिससे दुनिया भर में हिंदुस्तान का नाम रोशन हुआ है। उन्होंने बताया कि बीजेपी इस इलेक्शन 400 से ज़्यादा सीट्स हासिल करेगी और तेलंगाना में भी वो सबसे ज़्यादा सीट्स हासिल करेगी। उन्होंने जैन कार्लटन क्रीक के रहने वालों से गुजारिश की कि वो कोंडा विश्वेश्वर रेड्डी के हक में वोट देकर उन्हें भारी अक्सरियत से जिताएं।
All of you to please tell your wives who are at home, tell your first-time voters who are in your community. I'll stop. Sir has something.
Madam, what I want to bring to the community also, servant mates are there. Going for leave for 2 to 3 days and going to their village and casting their vote. If we show the same interest, I think we can. Because simply we can't reach our place. When the poorest people who is working as a maid, they are preferred to go and losing 3 days of salary and going to their near to play vote. If you show the same interest, hope we will get more votes.
That was actually my last request to. Please may we see that from your lovely community, you have a high voting ratio. Please request your community. In some gated communities, they are people volunteering to accompany senior citizens or to drive them to the booth. In some communities, we have worked with taking your time. Some of you who have come in now and standing, but May 13th, please use your right to vote and go beyond the right to vote. Treat it as your dharma to vote. It's your duty to vote. Please come forward and vote. I think it's a very, very important time in the progress of the country. Let's retain this growth path. Let's spread this word and also protect our dharma, our culture, ensure that we don't have divisive politics, move forward in a positive manner, keep the country safe. I think the strength of the country and the strength of our leadership through BJP has enabled a reduction in any of these terror attacks, because India is no longer a soft target. And that is important for our future, for our children. Also the global respect that we all get because of the way that India has been positioned. I was the chairperson of G20 Empower. I saw firsthand the way we handled so many countries, the way India was positioned, the way we proposed that what we have would be shared with the rest of the world. I was part of the BRICS program, where Prime Minister Modi spoke among those 5 senior world leaders. And after he proposed his speech, where every leader spoke about their country, he spoke about our country, but he also spoke about the world. And he said, so happy to see you.
तो इसमें क्या आपका लो वोटिंग का मतलब क्या समझिए आप, क्या निकाला आप कंक्लूजन?
We have to see balance intelligence.
Anyway, he's winning through Kashmir. वो एक बात to show our support to Modi. So
we are supporting of Modi.
తెలుసు కదా, మంచి అభివృద్ధి చేస్తారు. ఇది పార్లమెంట్ కి మోడీ గారికి ఓట్ వేయాలి. మోడీ కంపల్సరీ గెలుస్తారు. అంతే, మంచిది. థ్యాంక్ యూ. నమస్తే. మీరు కూడా మోడీ గారికి వేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్. We're doing all less, we're not throwing paper around, please. మీరు కూడా ఫోన్ లైన్ తీసేస్తారు. మీ ఓటర్ స్లిప్ కూడా బూత్ కూడా చూడొచ్చు. యూ కెన్ గో టు యువర్ ఓటర్ ఐడి, యూ కెన్ ప్రింట్ యువర్ ఓటర్ స్లిప్, యూ కెన్ చెక్ యువర్ బూత్ ఆల్సో. సో కైండ్లీ ప్లీజ్ యూజ్ దిస్. తీసుకోమ్మా. థ్యాంక్ యూ. టు యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఆల్సో తీసుకో.